Hey, what's up guys? We out here in Glasgow, Scotland right now, and I've been staying in this room for the past month, and I just really love my room. I think it's amazing. And a lot of times I'm thinking is that your brain is like your room, where it's just a place where you can just do your own thing, there's no outside influences, and my brain, my mind has been in a very healthy, happy place. And I just want to show you, take a tour into my brain. So let's start. So here we have the sleeping station. So this is the bed. Keep the sheets fresh, smelling good, double size at minimum. And over here we have the workstation. And yeah, as well, just keep it clean. And we have this plant right there, that's furnace. We have these gigantic windows just to bring in all that natural light. And these windows are dope because you could just open them. Right there, get some fresh air. Smoke some Wesleys, some Wesley Snipes. Close that. And right here we have the reading station. Just feed your brain with knowledge. And right here we have the lights. This is a bicolor, so you can just change the temperature. And we have some fairy lights, just change the mood. And lighting is everything, not just in films, but in reality too. And over here we have the juggling station. So we usually have oranges, but I keep eating them. So we have limes, and we have a Rubik's Cube. It's a knockoff, but it works. And I bring on over to the music station. So we have the bearing bow. I'm borrowing that from a friend, and I just love this thing. This thing's amazing. Just learning a bunch of new songs. And to have the guitar, I bought this for 10 pounds, like 13 bucks, just relearning some old things. And yeah, just music is just so important. Just either you're playing it or you have it in the background at all times. And or sometimes just off, just so you can have your own thoughts. And over here we have the memory wall. So he's printed a bunch of photos, as you see right here, just so many photos. And yeah, it's just like when you have it on your phone, you don't really go through them, but when you print them, it's like you get to relive all those amazing memories again. So over here we have, I printed some more, these are my postcards. And it's also a different experience when you print your work. And then when you look at it, you get sucked into some of these places. Some of these are just great memories. And over here we have the workout station. So right here we have the yoga mat. I'm a huge advocate for yoga. And the handstand wall. We can move these couches, make it into more, do some capoeira. So yeah, that's my room. And I've just been in a very happy, very balanced just place. Like everything just in balance, my social life, my romantic life, my work life, my eating life. And yeah, so yeah, basically balance is the key to life, no matter who you are or what age you are. So, but I know the world right now is in a lot of turmoil, but I feel extremely blessed to be where I am. And yeah, so just in case you're in a place that's unhealthy or I become unhealthy, then this is a happy brain. There's many out there, but this is one of them. So until next time, bye.